I'm Ben, founder of Stove Decals. Rather than buying a brand new cooktop or panel worth hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars, Stove Decals is a simple, convenient, easy solution for replacing worn-off stove indicators, saving you time and money. We are a family-owned and operated business in the United States. Since 2017, we've been USA's leader in replacement stove decals. It all started with one cooktop. Each decal design is custom made to fit your specific model. Stove Decals is easy to apply, made with a 6-year vinyl, and helps make your stove look and feel brand new again. These are products we use in our home, and I hope you enjoy them as much as we have.